I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone like a compact computer. Update the OS and free at least 2 GB so apps run smoothly. Install a remote desktop app, a robust file manager, and a keyboard that supports shortcuts. These give you desktop behavior. Once done, enable required permissions, and, if you need advanced features, turn on developer options and USB debugging. This reduces friction and prevents permission blocks later, so you can move straight into connecting and configuring without surprises. Once connected, choose the best transport: 5 GHz Wi-Fi for low latency, USB for stability, or Bluetooth for simple input. In your remote or virtualization, app set resolution and frame rate to balance clarity and battery use. Then map input methods and keyboard shortcuts so copy/paste and Alt-Tab work. Make folders sync between cloud and local storage to access files quickly, and customize display scaling and multi-window behavior to make apps act like desktop counter. You finish by validating the workflow. Open your main apps, move files, and practice the shortcuts so the mobile setup feels natural. Save profiles or export settings and create simple automation macros for repeated tasks. This saves time each session. If anything breaks, start with quick fixes. Verify network or cable, restart the app or device, clear app cache, and update apps or drivers. If problems persist, revert to saved profiles or reconnect via USB for a stable recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.